This is
Barapani.
Barapani.
In Shillong, we call it Umyam Lake.
Oh, Umyam.
Yes.
Umyam Lake.
It's also, this one is the where it connects to dam site,
Dam site.
where we get electricity power from here.
Oh,
Main power we get from here only
oh, very good, very
in
good.
Shillong.
Oh. And then, are they village or?
Yeah, some there if you see, yes, there if you there over there, there side there,
Oh.
there also, like there. There I think it might be an office or a college. I'm not sure,
Oh.
but yes.
Mm.
So if we are going to Guwahati, you know,
Mm.
yeah, when we came from Guwahati, we came from that side like this.
Oh.
Now we are going to Shillong Airport. We'll go that side. Not
Oh Lord my God, when I'm in awesome wonder, consider all thy works thy hand doth make. I see the stars, I hear the mighty thunder, thy power throughout the universe displayed. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. When through the woods, the forest glades I wander, and hear the bird sing sweetly in the trees. When I look down from lofty mountain grandeur, and hear the brook and feel the gentle breeze, then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. And when I think of God, His Son not sparing, sent Him to die, I scarce can take it in. Then on the cross, my burden gladly bearing, He bled and died to take my sins away. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God to thee. How great thou art, how great thou art. Then sings my soul, my Savior God